Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix SSL pending error on Shopify. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your browser, type in Shopify and access your Shopify shop, aka your account. Now right afterwards, if you go to this domain section, you will find this SSL pending on the online store of your one of the domains, right? So this happens when you have not entered the correct information of your domain itself on the record. For example, if you haven't added the correct information on your custom records, then that kind of issue can happen. But if you have added and everything is correct right over here, it is most likely to be gone in 48 hours, which is also specified in an article. Let me show you that. Right over here you can see this is simply an article where it shows, you can see the if it does not take longer than it if it does take longer than 48 hours, then only you are recommended to be simply contacting the Shopify support, which is by simply tapping on this particular link, and afterwards you will be able to contact them and let them know that it has not been gone. Otherwise, it is not such a big of a problem as it states. It will be gone in 48 hours after the pending issue being shown. So if it does not goes after 48 hours, then I recommend you to also go through this link and contact them and let them know your worry, and you will be able to solve it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.